what's up? This is Ken.
Hey there.
And it is Ken. It's raining.
It's raining. And there's our fire right there.
It was doing good, now it's raining. What the heck?
Well, okay, stop raining now.
It stopped, it's good.
It's okay, we won't get wet. Hey, what's up? I see you. We're doing 2 different cameras at once. That looks cool. I think I'll move this.
Yep. Yep. Oh, anyway, see ya.
See ya.